Hello kids, today we will learn to write A to Z in capital. Before writing, we should learn that how to hold a pencil. So for holding a pencil, we require thumb, then first finger and the middle finger. So these three, one thumb, one first finger and one middle finger. We will use thumb and two fingers to hold a pencil like this. And the second important thing is to understand this notebook. So we have how many lines in this notebook? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many lines are there? 4 lines. So we use first 3 lines to write capital alphabet. Okay, so first 3 lines like this: red line, blue line and then another blue line. These 3 lines we will use to write an alphabet, and this line we will not. So let's learn how to write alphabets. So the first alphabet is A. So A, how we'll write A? Slanting line, then another slanting line, and then sleeping line. Then how to write B? B we will write standing line, then there is one curve, then there is another curve, and this is B. Then how we'll write C? We will make a big curve, so this is C. And how we'll write D? Standing line, then there is again a big curve, so this is D. Then we will write, now what comes next? E. So E, standing line, then there is a sleeping line, then there is another sleeping line, and then again a sleeping line, so this is E. Then what comes after E? F. So standing line, again sleeping line and a small sleeping line, so this makes an alphabet F. Then after F, which alphabet comes after F? G. G. Then this is again a big curve, then you have to make a sleeping line and then standing line. This is how we'll make G. And then standing line, sleeping line and standing line makes an alphabet H. So A for apple, B for boy or ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for grapes, and H for horse, hut. Again after H, which alphabet comes after H? I. Yes, you're right. I. That's sleeping line. Then there is a standing line. And again sleeping line. This makes an alphabet I. Then J. Sleeping line. Then standing line. And then we'll make a curve. Yes. So after J comes an alphabet K. So standing line, slanting line up and slanting line down makes an alphabet K. Then what comes after K? L. You're right. L, standing line and then sleeping line. So I, J, K, L. L for lion. Lion will roar. Then now after L, which alphabet comes after L? M. So M, standing line, then there is a slanting line, then there is again a slanting line and then standing line. So this makes an alphabet M. Then we will make N. standing line, slanting line, and again standing line. So what? This is N. Which alphabet comes after N? O, you're right. Then this will make a big circle. L, M, N, O, and then P. Yes, you're right. Standing line. Then there is a small curve. So this makes an alphabet P. Now how we will write Q? We will make a big circle O, and then we will make a slanting line here. So this will make an alphabet Q. Then how we'll write R? Standing line, then there is a curve, and then there is a slanting line. So Q, R, and then how we'll write S? A small curve, and then on the opposite side again a small curve. So this is Q, R, S, and then how we'll write T? Sleeping line, and then standing line. We'll make an alphabet T. Okay, which alphabet comes after T? Yes, you're right. U. U will make a big curve. It's U. And then how we'll write V? Slanting line, and then again a slanting line. We'll make V. And then how we'll write W? It's slanting line, slanting line, slanting line, and then slanting line. This will make an alphabet W. Which alphabet comes after W? Yes, you're right. X, slanting line, and then again a slanting line will make an alphabet X. And how we'll write Y? It's very easy. We will make a small V here, and then standing line. We'll make Y. And Z, we will make like this sleeping line. We will make like this sleeping line, slanting line, and then again a sleeping line. This is very easy, right? So which A? This is which alphabet? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Fantastic. Thank you kids for learning A to Z.